Hello everybody, welcome back to the Magic Academy. Today we're learning the birthday card trick, a fun trick to perform, gets a lot of laughs, can use a borrowed deck. We'll look at the performance first and then we will dive into the explanation. Have you guys ever seen the birthday card trick? All you need is a birthday girl.
Present.
Select a card for me.
Alrighty then.
Beautiful, thank you. Show the audience.
That's a good one.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, let's lose it into the deck. All right, so I'm gonna need you to cut the cards for me, give it a birthday cut.
Okay. Good old birthday cut.
Perfect. Maybe one more cut. And we are ready to rock. Look at that. Your card, the 9 of diamonds.
Nope. Sorry.
Of course, wait. It's on the top of the deck, right? The 4 of hearts.
Nope.
It's the birthday card trick. Of course, you got to sing happy birthday to find your card. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Allie. Happy birthday to you. What was your card?
Queen of Hearts.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We got
Get
it.
out. I never knew I'd have a card actually picked out for me like that.
If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe. It would mean so much. We're going to add more card tricks, sleights, flourishes to the channel every week. Now let's get back to it. Okay, let's dive into it. So, how do you do this trick? Very straightforward. All you have to do is get their card to the 21st position. So what's the most effective method? What I like to do is, as I'm asking the spectator to pick a card, I will count over 9 cards. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9th card, I will in-jog the 10th card as I'm pushing the cards aside. So you can see that that card is slightly in-jogged. From there, I continue to push cards out and have the spectator select a card. So as I bring the cards together, you can see we now have that in-jogged card. And as I square up the cards, I get a break underneath that in-jogged card. From there, we are going to grab the pack and have them return the card into the deck. You know, someone might notice that the pack that you're picking up is pretty small, right? As opposed to picking up half the cards and putting it in the middle of the deck. What I like to do, instead of just grabbing at the tips of the finger, is to grab deeper with the fingertips. That gives the illusion that you're holding more cards than you actually are. And so when they place the card back into the deck, you put the pile on top, and as you do that, you grab about half the cards, and from there you can do a little dribble to make it seem like the card was actually placed deeper into the deck. And so that's a nice little subtlety that goes a long way. And the great thing too is you don't have to hold the break anywhere. The card appears completely lost. We need to have an additional 10 cards placed on top of the deck. So what's the best way to do that? So you can take, the simplest way would be to just take 10 cards from the bottom in an overhand shuffle, peeling 1 at a time, 10 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And from there you can finish the overhand shuffle. The more convincing way to do so would be to do it from the other way. So make sure you're peeling more than 10. Grab 15 to 20 cards and peel those into the hand. From there, do the same counting motion with the overhand shuffle, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you have the 20 cards on top of their selection. From there, on the 11th card, you will in-jog to eventually have a break there. And from there, you can peel more cards like so, and you can do packets, and you finish the overhand shuffle. And the great thing too is this looks like a mess. You can hold the cards like that, saying, you know, your card's completely lost. We have no idea where it is. And as you square up the cards, you, at the break there, you push the cards in and hold and retain a pinky break above those cards. An even greater convincer now is you're able to cut the cards a couple times above the break and finish the cut. So now you are in the position to perform the birthday card trick. Their card is 21 from the top, and all you have to do is sing happy birthday. And so how does that look? It's happy birthday to you. So 5 cards. Happy birthday to you, 5 cards. And then happy birthday, dear Christopher, whatever the name might be. So from there you have 6 cards, and then happy birthday to you. And then that lands on their selection, the 2 of spades. Now, the great thing about this effect is you don't have to necessarily have it be the birthday card trick. Now you know how to place a card anywhere in the deck. You can ask someone a question. You can make a statement to ultimately find their card. So, will you please go on a date with me next week? Pretty please. And then if they say no, run away. If they say yes, well, here's your card. So you can really do anything with this trick. So we hope you enjoyed the card trick. It's always a fun one. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more content. We're going to have more videos on card tricks, flourishes, sleights, you name it. So stay tuned.